Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Children, let's continue with our chapter Internet and let us see what is packed for us in the further. Till our last class, we have studied about an education websites, online educations, right? Resource online educations, wherein we have learned that how do we use resources available for us online. Then we have seen that we use online education for even giving tests, extra tuitions. Then we use ICR boards, and we get ourselves registered for different websites to take extra tuitions. If you want to learn something which is not in your syllabus, some extracurricular stuffs also, we are having all these availability through internet. Sitting at our home, we can participate in the exams which are conducted across the globe for our better knowledge. So all these things are being provided on the platform internet through resource online education. Even if extra courses are being done, not just by the students, for the elders also, lots of online courses are available. Distance educations over the internet, there are many more like that. So what all we studied that web-based learnings are there, computer-based learnings are there, digital collaborations are there. Through internet only we can do all these learning experiences. What all do we study? I said you right, over voiceovers are there, audio videos are there, animations and cartoons. Through animation and cartoons we study a lot, textual matters and more. See, we discussed saying that whatever we see and experience, we retain a lot in our brain than just listening to the class. So even your teachers use lots of digital boards, right, whichever is available in your school, and then they teach you up. And even we've learned about e-shopping, online shoppings. We all know that lots of product range are available on online shopping. These also we have studied a lot. So today we are going to see about e-commerce. See, when we are buying something online, okay, we are buying something online, there is someone selling online also, right? Yes or no? If someone is not selling online, how will we go? How will we be buying something online? Yes. So first we are supposed to have that business running through internet. So electronic commerce, so sometimes called as e-business, is a financial business transaction that occurs on electronic network. Anyone with a computer connected with the internet and a means to pay, means in the sense through which a mode or through a medium through which the payments can be done, debit card, credit card, etc., for purchased goods or services, can participate in e-commerce. There are thousands of websites devoted to online shopping. The web is also a great place to sell your goods and services. Children, see, anybody having an internet connection and an online payment services. Okay, if your account is having online payment services wherein you can sell and buyers can buy and pay the payment to your bank account directly, anybody having this two facility can start their business online. Yes, you can sell whatever products you want to do. So I'll just show you over here. Let me take a tab. We'll go to Flipkart. Yes. What are these? See, there are people who are selling these things, right? There are people who are selling these things. So if you want to buy anything or if you want to sell here also, we have options available, whether you want to become a buyer or whether you want to become a seller for that matter. So there are thousands of websites which devote to online shopping. Website is a collection of, now let's talk about life skills. Okay, website, what is a website? It's a collection of web pages. See, whatever you would see, right? Now Flipkart is a website. In that, see how many different pages we are having. So if I go for one page, this is one web page, right? And then these are another web pages. This is another web page. If I want to go specifically for this product, this one more page is open. So these single page on your website is called as web pages, children. Okay. So it is called as web pages. So a website is a collection of related web pages, including multimedia content, typically identified with common domain name and published on at least one web browser. Okay, so they are having related content name. So one of the life skill is, see, we here I taught about e-business. Now when I talk about Picasa, okay, there is this website, life skills. We can do a lot of editing also on our internet. So Picasa is a website, exclusively website for editing and handling digital photos. You need to download this application into your hard disk and install it. So when you use this particular software called Picasa, it helps to store photos. It works like a album for you, online album, wherein you can store all your pictures and keep it in your hard disk. Yes, you need not have to bother, like you do not have to go for washing all the photos. One sec. Yes, so this is other digital handling Picasa one. Now social networking site. Yes, children, it's very basic thing which we do it in our day-to-day life. Through internet, we are connected to different people across the world, not just by phone, by profile. Yes, we are connected to our friends through WhatsApp. We are connected with our friends through Facebook. Yes, we have calling numbers. But if we imagine there was no Facebook, there was no WhatsApp, there was no Instagram, then would you be able to see each other's what they are doing in their daily life? No, right? See, whenever if we want to share something, we have to give them a call and speak. It's feasibly not possible to be connected to every single person, every friend of yours. So now this WhatsApp have started. See, if I have to send if I had to send a message to 10 different people, so what I have to do, I have to type and I have to copy and paste in everybody's message and I have to send. But now because WhatsApp have come, we have collectively made groups. Yes, once if I send it, it goes through all the people together. If I want to send photos, can I, if there was no WhatsApp, no Facebook, can I send my pictures to anybody? I can't, right? We cannot get connected. So world has come too close to each other. We can understand, we get to know what people are doing in their daily life when they share their life on the this different platform, sharing pictures, sharing videos. Then we understand, okay, our friend is doing this one, that one. Yes, so most social networking services are web-based and provides means for users to interact over the internet, such as emails and instant messaging. Online community services are called as social networking. One of the popular sites is Facebook. Let's summarize. See, I don't think I need to speak a lot on what do you say, social networking sites, but we have been using it every single minute of our life, right? See, imagine you might not have like there are features of Facebook. Okay, I'll just share. There are features of this particular what do you say websites, wherein actually these websites, you see, children, they help you to connect to the people. Maybe some friends of yours, some family of yours, which you might not have met for a long time, and you don't share photos. If they are available on Facebook, you can just find them, get in contact. Why these social networking sites are there? To just get back in the contact zone of your friends and families, right? Everybody needs friends and families. Everybody wants to have that connectivity. Correct. So these are the websites which help you to stay connected, to share your happy moments. So imagine you have had your birthday party, okay, and you have had your pictures. So unless and until you send an email, sending the pictures and audio videos through email has become a little more older fashion. Now it's like instant. Nobody wants to even wait for opening an email. Over the mobile phone, everything is available. So if you want to share every part of your life with your families and friends, so these are the social networking. When they say social, in the sense, we human being, we people, networking. So we are getting connected to each other. This is the importance of internet on making the people get connected to each other. At least by now you might have understood saying that how important is internet. Now imagine your life without internet for one single day. You will not be able to get, see, we see news. Nowadays we are not waiting for switching on the TV and seeing the news. We are getting news over our mobile phone. Are we only dependent on dish TV? Now children, tell me one thing. Okay, now tell me one thing. How many of us have fixed ourselves towards television? Not much, right? Now we are getting those movies, those serials, those what do you say, channels, cartoons, information, news channels. News is more than your television. You get pure and detailed news on internet. Agree or not? Do you agree with me? So nowadays people are not dependent on TV. For that TV, you're supposed to have dish TV connections, correct? If your dish is not working, are you still dependent on that? No. Because of the facility given by the internet, every channel, every information right now has started being broadcasted in internet through their different websites. So whole of your world is getting connected to website. If you want to buy something, internet. If you want to sell something, internet. Imagine you want to sell a vehicle. You literally cannot go and display it everywhere. So now if you just post a posting in internet into your websites and say that I want to sell a vehicle, you'll get a buyer online. Yes. Groceries online. There are many stores which are selling groceries online. So you can say we are studying online, right? Biggest example right now, we are studying through online only. I'm teaching from here, I'm uploading my videos and I'm sending you. Online courses are available for which you can get yourself enrolled. Online competitions are there. The biggest online, what do you say, support can be taught in this pandemic, right? During this pandemic, everything is online. Now everybody is very much quite aware about online shopping. Safe enough, right? So how are we doing? Are we going to this? Even they are picking it back. If you return it, they're taking the products back also. You can try it and send it and see and use it for your own benefits, right? So your whole world is trapped with online. So this is the importance of internet. Let us just summarize what all we have learned in this chapter. Okay, let us just summarize what I know about internet, search engine and online educational sites and e-commerce, the features and usefulness of search engine, to know how to download any picture and material from internet using the search engine, to know the importance of social networking and life skill websites. Okay, I have an interesting information for you people. And you know what? How did this internet started? Who started this internet? Actually, internet was being started by Americans. American, not by our software engineers. Okay, obviously software engineers, but not specifically for the IT use. It was actually started for military use. Okay, so what used to happen? See, you know, right? A country's border is such a big stuff. So it is covered with full different borders. So it's so many huge kilometers are there, right? So what this military used to stay from one place to another, it's like huge kilometers, like 100, 200, 300 kilometers far. So our base, like let's take our India as an example. Imagine one military is in Karnataka border, one is in Maharashtra border, one is in Rajasthan. So likewise covering from different parts of our country. So they had to communicate to each other. So sending a post, sending a letter, sometimes telephone, that time it was very difficult. So it was like, okay, over the telephone also, they used to only able to speak up exact location if they find any enemies, and they had to give information to the countrymen or to other base camps where this military are there. So it was becoming very difficult for these particular military people. So they brought up this technology, they brought up this idea of internet, saying that through this computer systems we can send and receive the information in detail and with clarity and instantly, not having so much of a delay. So for that reason this internet started. So internet, inter means it's among everybody, the net which covers everybody. So with this happy note, that learning technology is as important as surviving in the today's era, and internet is such a big support for this. With this I end our chapter internet concepts. If there's any doubts and clear confusions and you have any clarity to be done, please contact me and prepare well for your exams. Bye bye.